just absolutely love the way it feels. Like, look, it's so fluffy. It's pretty. Hey guys, I'm about to review this hair. It's a crochet hair, and it's the Senegalese twist crochet in 18 inches, color 1B. And let's just take it out together. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 gorgeous crochet hair. Let's see if this is gonna fit into my hair and how it's gonna go. I don't know if it's gonna be enough. You know, all those doubts that I usually have at the beginning of my crochet braid, you guys are gonna have the same doubt with me because I'm not sure if this is gonna be enough. But let's just go and get right into it, and get right into it, and get right into it. Let me tell you one thing I love about this hair. I love the tags. I love the packaging. It's nice, even though it came in a Ziploc bag, but the actual packaging of the hair, look. Every individual one comes with this, and it says, "To the most beautiful you." This is the crochet hair for women. It's a Senegalese, 18 inches in color 1B. This hair has got some smell. Choking me. I don't know, it has the smell that I can't explain. Maybe if I open it out of the pack for a while, you know, the smell is going to go away. But before then, let's just count how many comes in each pack. So we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So each bundle comes in 20 per pack, and I've got 6 packs. That's 120. I'm sure 120 is going to be enough. So I'm just going to quickly do the back of my hair before I finish up the front with you. You know how we do it on this channel. If you're new here, you're welcome to my channel. I'm Gabby of Garbie'Signature. On my channel, I do DIY videos, makeup tutorials, hair reviews, lifestyle and fashion choices. But today, I'm going to be doing a crochet hair review. If you want to know much about this, keep watching. To my old subscribers, yeah, you guys are the plug. I love and appreciate you. Thank you for watching my videos, supporting me, liking and dropping your comments. You guys make me so excited when I see comments from each and every one of you. Thank you for staying fabulous and amazing. Let's just get right into the video of today. I did a quick install fixing up the back of my hair, and I'm going to show you guys in a bit, but let's just get into this hair. Come on, like, look at the spiralness. This is a Senegalese crochet, so there's a way Senegalese braids come out, and that's exactly what was imitated here. Let me just finish installing this and show you the finished look. You're gonna love this. But in the meantime, let's just go right into this. I'm just gonna put my crochet here, pull it down, slide it. Did you see the way I slided it into this? Put this in, close it and pull it out. I found that this is so much easier compared to you know, just releasing it and trying to look for the hook that goes with each one. Put it in, pull it out, put another tail, close it and pull. Like, can you see? I'm actually still holding on to the crochet hook, and that's it. The only downside to this is, look, the loop is pretty tight, so I have to take a while to try and open it up and like expand it. That's the only downside. But I literally just go, once I get it, I literally just go and pull it out, and it helps. It makes it more faster. Even though I have like little issues with the crochet, it helps it to be so much faster than expected. So I just slide it in like so, put the tip, and that's what I'm going to keep doing till the end of this video. So keep watching. So I've been doing this for a while and my shoulders hurt. So I'm taking a minute of rest. Crochet business is not an easy business, okay? Take it from me, the crochet queen. I think I'm just gonna do three more crochet, and that's it. It feels like I just need 3 more to fill in the holes, and I'm gonna be done for today. So right now I'm done. Finally done. I'm just gonna take out the headband, and I did a pattern over here. If you can look straight down, I did a pattern over here, and I'm just going to keep doing this just to, you know, get out all the braids, let it get relaxed. Look at what the back looks like. I guess it's pretty full. Got literally 18 strands left, and that's like I literally used 5 bundles and 2 pieces. So this is what the front looks like. Checking it out. Look at this. I left a lot of brush space just because the girl has got no edge, and that's fine. Like, I'm still able to do some crochet, I'm still able to do some cornrows. I'm gonna take that better than having nothing to do it. So I love to leave my edge alone just so that it grows and it doesn't feel like it's burdened at any time. This is literally the hair. I could pack it to this side, just give it some oomph with the styling. Am I giving or am I giving? What vibes are you getting from this? I love this. I love the fact that I could pack it all here. Like, look at this. Look at the parting that I gave it. Side parting, as you know, that's my favorite position. This is another parting, and this is another way to style my hair, which is pretty fine. I love it the way it is. I love the fact that I was able to manipulate it, even though the loops were giving me issues. I was able to manipulate it and get this, like, I was able to get all of this out. For this hair, I'm going to rate it a 6 just because I had so much difficulty getting it on. Like, I've done several crochets and I complain about the fact that the loops are tiny, but this really hurt my fingers trying to get through to them. Like, when I was done fixing it, I actually didn't feel so bad because it was worth it, but it's just a lot of pressure on my fingers, which I didn't like. But in overall, this is a very great hair. It's pretty lightweight. Initially it had a smell, which over time when I put it out of the pack, the smell literally, you know, faded off with time. You can wash it if you want and dry it properly before you fix it. But guys, like, look, check the link in my description box. I'm gonna leave a link telling you where to get this and how much it's worth. Check it in my description box. If you like hairs like this or you like me to do tutorials like this, kindly drop your comments in my comment section. Don't forget to leave a comment, like this video, share if you love it, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for showing out all the time I upload new videos. Thank you for supporting my brand, for being there through thick and thin, through posting and not posting. You guys are amazing. I've got a very huge giveaway, almost totaling $1,500 on my channel. Spread the word. You want your friends and family to join the K, because who's gonna be the lucky winner? You guys, of course, but you have to subscribe to my channel. You have to turn your post notification on so you know when I upload new videos. You have to be active. You have to subscribe to my channel. You have to drop comments all the time. You have to binge watch my videos. Like Heyyyy Tribe, you guys know the deal on this channel. It's love, love, love all the way. So I'm just gonna leave this with you. Until next time, bye.